Today I want to break down exactly what energy and sustainability inspections are, what certifications you need, how much you can make, and I know a lot of you are wanting to know that firsthand, and why this is one of the fastest growing specializations in the inspection industry. So let's jump right into it. So what exactly is energy and sustainability inspections? Energy and sustainability inspections focus on how efficiently a home, a building of any sort uses energy and whether it meets today's eco-friendly standards. Instead of just checking for damages, you're analyzing things like how well the property preserves energy, whether insulation, windows, and HVAC systems are efficient, things of that nature. How much air leaks through the actual structure itself. If solar panels or renewable systems are installed and working properly, because a lot of new places now come with solar panels installed, and whether, of course, the overall construction supports sustainability goals. And that's very important, especially if they're going to have things of that nature inside of their building. So you're not just inspecting, you are actually evaluating performance. And that's a big deal because, I'm going to tell you why, because the building codes evolve every year, all the time. All the projects require more energy audits before they can even pass inspections. So when you're in this role, you're helping people build and maintain their homes that are starter, greener, and more cost efficient. So this is going to be your next step in the path to field inspections. So let's explore why the field inspection in this arena is exploding and is in demand. Now, why is this step a game changer in the inspection world? Because energy efficiency isn't just a nice to have anymore. It's a must have. Builders are being pushed by new codes each and every day. Homeowners are being motivated by rising energy costs. And entire cities are offering incentives for green building certifications. That's where inspectors like me and you could possibly come in if this is the path in which you choose to take. Energy and sustainability inspections are now a part of many new construction projects, insurance assessments, and home upgrade programs. And as more states, I'm about to tell you, as more states mandate this, the demand for trained inspectors keep going up year after year. Okay, so this part of the career choice is most definitely an option for any of you who want to have a full future in inspections. So now let's talk about the certifications and what type of certification trainings that there are out there for this type of inspections. Okay, because here's now where you'll need to invest a little time, and of course it may be totally worth it for those of you who are choosing to do it. There are several inspection certifications out there that will make you stand out inside of this type of inspection. We're going to talk about LEED Green Associates, USGBC. This certification will give you a foundation, okay, some sustainability on building and design, okay. It's great if you are working with commercial or new construction projects that aim for LEED certification. And then, of course, we have RESNET or HERS Rater certification. This is good for standard residential energy audits. The first one was commercial, this one is residential, okay? Then we have BPI certification. This is Building Performance Institute, okay? It focuses on home weatherization, all ceilings around the home, and efficiency improvements. Many government assistance programs require BPI certified auditors, and that is where you'll come in. So you guys make sure you write these down, okay? So now the next one is NABCEP certification. If you're interested in solar energy inspection or certification, this one right here is going to be your key. It gives you credibility when working with renewable systems and solar installations. Now, each program is going to have its own requirements. Some need training hours, field tests, or exams. But once you're certified, you're qualified for higher paying jobs and specialized contracts. So now let's talk about just how much an energy and sustainability inspector can make. Of course, depending on your location, your certification, and your experience, here's what you can expect. For entry-level technicians or assistants, typically they will earn anywhere between $45,000 to $60,000 per year. Certified HERS, HERS, raters, or BPI auditors, they usually make anywhere from $60,000 to $85,000 annually. Solar and green building inspectors, they can earn anywhere from $75,000 to $100,000 plus, especially if you manage your own clients or contract with multiple builders. Now, independent contractors, they normally would charge anywhere between $200 to $600 per inspection, and that is a whole lot more money than what you're making now as just a basic field inspector. The demand and the pay continues to rise more and more as builders must meet these types of efficiency standards before selling or certifying any sort of new homes. So that's good money. Okay, so now how do you get started? Because I know a lot of you are like, how do I do this? I'm going to tell you. Okay, if you're ready to step into this part of inspection and make this a part of your career, then here's what you may want to do. First, you're going to take the basic energy auditing courses, which is going to be in one of those that I told you already. One of them are available online through RESNET, RESNET, or BPI. You can start updating any of your field resume just with this alone, okay? Just remember that the field changes constantly from solo tech to new codes, okay? So you're gonna have to keep learning as you grow, or you won't be able to succeed in this one right here, because this one most definitely changes with the wind, okay? So do the energy and sustainability certifications offer job placement? I'm gonna answer that because I know a lot of you are already gonna ask, do they place? Usually they do not, okay? There is no direct job placement. There are just certification programs. They give you credentials to be able to do the job, okay? That means that you've been trained, you've been tested, and you meet their professional standards, okay? So that's where you're gonna come in. That certification gives you credibility so that you can apply for jobs with inspection firms, energy consulting companies, or even builders, okay? It may get you listed in some of their official directories, okay? Which helps people find and actually hire you. So while they don't place you directly, they do connect you, okay, to the right ecosystem out here floating around for inspectors, somewhere hiring, and that's where your contracts begin to happen. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, because you know I'll be bringing you back something later. Thank you guys so much for watching once again, and enjoy the rest of your day.